YakAttack Sidewinder. I haven't used it yet, so here we go. I'm at 28 feet. Then I'm gonna hook it up to my YakAttack Anchor Trolley on the port side. There it is, I'm down. So I think what I'm supposed to do is wrap this around like that. And here's the part that it connects to the boat, as you can see. And you're supposed to just throw this in the water. And that floats. And then I hook my line up to the boat. I bought a Yak Gear zigzag cleat, but it hasn't showed up. It's actually supposed to show up today. So there we are. Actually, let me correct that. I'm supposed to hook it up to the YakAttack. I'm connected to the anchor trolley now. Me retrieving my Sidewinder. So I got it right here. I got my float. It'll be in view here pretty soon. Let me paddle up to it. Hopefully the sun's not in your face in the camera. There's my float, and there's the Sidewinder. So bring that aboard, and then I can go ahead and loosen it there, and just go ahead and reel it in. Almost up. I can see my red anchor. There it is. Works great. Go ahead and tie down that end. Go ahead and secure the anchor. Secure the anchor side, and then the loose end here. Go ahead and wrap that around, or actually, yeah, just wrap it around. And then go across, so you know this is the tag end that stays with the boat or with the kayak. And it's all ready to go for next use. That's it.